Why is evaluating supervised learning models with metrics important? Imagine building a machine that can tell the difference between spam emails and important messages. How do you know if it's doing a good job? That's where evaluating models with metrics comes in. When working with supervised learning, models learn from labeled data, examples where the correct answer is known. But just because a model learns doesn't mean it works well. You need a way to measure its performance accurately. Evaluation metrics are like report cards for machine learning models. They give clear, numbers-based feedback on how well the model is doing. Without these numbers, it's hard to tell if the model is improving or if it's ready to be used in real life. For example, if a model predicts whether a patient has a disease, you want to know how often it's right and how often it makes mistakes. Metrics help answer questions like, is the model accurate enough? Does it make too many errors? Are those errors serious or minor? Different tasks need different metrics. For classifying emails as spam or not spam, common metrics include accuracy, which shows the percentage of correct guesses. But accuracy can be misleading if most emails are not spam. In that case, other metrics like precision and recall become important. Precision tells you how many of the emails marked as spam are actually spam, while recall shows how many spam emails the model finds. The F1 score combines both to give a balanced view. For predicting continuous things like house prices, metrics like mean absolute error or mean squared error measure how close the predictions are to the real values. Choosing the right metric depends on what matters most in your application. In medical diagnosis, missing a real case can be dangerous, so recall might be prioritized. In spam detection, wrongly marking a normal email as spam can annoy users, so precision becomes more important. These metrics help teams decide which model is best and how to improve it. Evaluation isn't just about accuracy. It also helps identify biases. Sometimes a model works well for one group but poorly for another. Tracking metrics reveals these issues so teams can make adjustments. This is part of responsible AI development, making sure models are fair and ethical. In tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney, metrics ensure the outputs are useful and safe. For productivity plugins, metrics confirm they save time and reduce mistakes. Without evaluation, it's impossible to know if these systems are truly helpful or if they could cause problems. In short, measuring how well supervised learning models perform with metrics is essential. It helps compare models, improve their accuracy, and make sure they are safe and fair to use. This process makes AI systems more trustworthy and better suited to real-world tasks.